Hi, welcome to my portfolio. In this video, I'm going to be talking about an AI system that I built called NOVA. NOVA stands for Navigate, Optimize, Validate, and Achieve. And this is my portfolio. And if you go to my portfolio, at the top that you can find end-to-end AI products, and if you click on the tab, it's going to take you to a section where I have uploaded all the AI systems that I built for my own personal use. I first got into building AI systems because of my startup called Hades, where we are building miniature AI companions. And Hades is a deep tech robotic startup. So we are building most affordable robot. And as we are doing that, me and my team thought of implementing AI systems because everything that we do, all our research, all our work is revolving around AI. So we thought of building AI systems so that we can save two things for our startup, money and time. We can save a lot of time because the AI is going to be running 24/7. The AI system is going to be operating 24/7 so that we can get the most optimized results, and at the same time it can also customize that specific AI system according to our needs so that it can serve us in the most effective way. And when we thought of that, we started doing some brainstorming, we started building some ideas, and then we started working on those ideas and we implemented most effective AI systems in place. And because of that, we didn't just save time, we also saved money because we don't need to hire a lot of people into our startup. We are very limited people in our startup, and yet we were able to become a lot more competent and a lot more efficient at what we do just because we have implemented AI systems in place. We realized that we have implemented so many AI systems in place that in competence wise, we are no lesser than a bigger organization, because a bigger organization has years of establishment, a lot of employers, years of systems in place. And we replaced all of that with the AI systems that we have built. And we made sure that these AI systems are precisely customized according to our startup needs so that we get the output that we desire to have, and we'll get it in the most efficient way. And at the same time, we can alter the output based on the preferences that we have. And because of all of these things together, we were able to build a very compatible system which made our startup extremely competent and extremely efficient at what it does. So when I started working on this within my startup, that's when I built AI systems specifically for my own needs, and NOVA is one of them. So as I said earlier, NOVA stands for Navigate, Optimize, Validate, and Achieve. So it's a AI career intelligence platform. So what does this platform does is, once you upload your resume into this platform and once you select a few metrics such as the desired role that you wish to have and the desired pay for that role and the experience that you have, and when you upload your resume, the AI is gonna analyze the resume, it's gonna understand the context of the resume. And for that, I've used OpenAI's API, and with that it's gonna specifically use natural language processing techniques which are going to analyze the entire resume, understand what it's going to be carrying in it. It's going to majorly understand the keywords especially. And now with all the metrics, with all the keywords and all the analysis that it has done on your resume, it's going to predict your probability of your resume, of how much potential it's going to carry to be potential person for that specific role with that specific pay. That's the ultimate idea. And if your probability is not as much as it needs to be, it's gonna identify the skill gaps, identify all the things that you have been missing, and identify the areas of improvement. And it also gonna provide a 3 to 6 month of career roadmap which you have to be working on so that you can potentially improve your probability. And as a consequence of improving your probability, you'll become most potential candidate for that specific role with that specific pay. That's the ultimate idea. The reason why I developed this system is because I've been working in my university career services for 9 months, and this is one of the things that they were not able to solve for me. And that's the reason why I solved it for myself by building an AI system. And I also thought that it would be such a incredibly effective thing for a lot of students as well. That's the reason why I built an website around this AI system so that anybody who ever wish to use it, they can absolutely use it. And it's a not paid version. There's totally free version for this. And this is all the coding that I've done for this specific project. And this is a quick overview about what this project does. You can see that it does natural language processing techniques to extract skills, experience depth, domain specific language and role context and all of that. So here is a quick overview of that. And here is a link for the website. And once you click on the link, it's going to take you to the website. This is the website and it's completely free and you can start your free analysis right away. So first you need to upload your resume. Just a second. So once your resume has been uploaded, you get a context preview. You get all the information that it has extracted from your resume. So the AI is already in work. So it extracted 3,248 words from your resume. So now you have to write your target role, data analyst, and choose hourly pay. And here is the experience level. You have level 1 to level 5. So based upon your years of experience, you must choose what suits you. For me, it's level 3 because I have 40 years of experience. Now, once you fill all of the metrics, once you upload your resume, and once it extracted all the words, all the major keywords from your resume, now you can start beginning your analysis. And here, it's gonna analyze your entire resume. It's gonna understand your metrics, and based on all of the metrics and the analysis that it's gonna do, it's gonna alter the output based on your preferences. So the probability match is going to be based upon your preferences, the skill gaps, the improvements, the career roadmap, everything is going to be related to specifically to what you decide to have so that you can have a clear sense of direction. So that probability is going to help you to do better and to act better. So that career advice is going to help you to act much more intentionally to get a desired pay that you desire to have. So the total probability score that I got for my resume for that data analyst role, which is going to be having $75 per hour, I got 56% probability. And on the right side, you could see the career roadmap, which has 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 is about skill foundation and gap closure, which is of 2 months. Phase 2 is about skill application and portfolio building, which is of 4 months. And phase 3 is about job search and interview preparation, which is of a total of 6 months. So with 6 months time period, I got 3 phases that I have to be working on because of what it has analyzed through my resume. And here you can identify skill gaps. I didn't use any kind of keywords related to advanced SQL and database design. That's the reason why it has identified that gap. I didn't use anything related to Python for data science in my resume as well. And that's the reason why it has identified that gap as well. And if you go down, it's going to showcase you all the major gaps for that specific role that you have in your resume. So you need to overcome all of those missing values. So here are all of the improvements that you can possibly make. For example, build a portfolio to demonstrate data analyst capabilities. So all of these improvements are necessary so that you can make sure that you can improve your probability by adding them into your resume. Here are the top 3 job matches that has suited my portfolio. So here is a 67% match, here is a 60% match, and the other one is also 60% match, which are going to be suiting my portfolio with the hourly pay that I have chosen for that specific role. And here you can also download a report, and this report is going to contain all of the information that you necessarily need. It's going to contain the probability that you have got, your math score, the role that you have chosen, the hourly pay that you have chosen, and it's going to also mention the date on when you generated this report, and it's going to include all the career analysis summary. So it's going to show you the skill gaps that you need to address, the key strengths that you have in your resume, and it's going to give you a 6-month road plan with phase 1, 2, and 3. And if you follow all of these phases, it's going to give you an actionable insights so that you can keep working on them. You need to enroll on an online course for advanced SQL. So it's giving me an advice that I need to follow so that I can improve my resume in a way that it's supposed to be so that I can improve my probability. So if I do all of these things, I'll be able to improve my probability for how much? The estimated improvement is over 39%. So the score that I got plus 39% is going to be a success probability of 85%. So I'm going to have a total of 85% probability if I do all of these things. So that is going to make me a potential candidate for the role that I've chosen and the payment that I've chosen per hour for that specific role. So this is going to make me a well-deserving candidate for that specific role and for the specific pay. And this is also going to make me someone who is going to be at a position where he can negotiate, because now I know what I'm worth. Because if I do all of these things for the next 6 months, I know that I'm going to be worth of this role and worth of this pay per hourly for that specific role. So it's going to enhance my credibility as a professional, and it's going to make sure that it's going to improve my possibilities to get more opportunities and opportunities that I truly deserve. And I'm also going to have something that I can truly believe in, because now I know what I am worth. I know what's my time worth. I know what I need to be working on. So all of these things are going to be clearly established because of the way that I'm going to have a very clear sense of direction. So that's the ultimate idea about this career intelligence dashboard, because it's going to provide me a clear understanding about what I need to be doing, and it's going to give me actionable insights, and it's going to make me understand what I necessarily need to improve. And the reason why I developed this is because it's going to satisfy one of the major needs that I have, and I'm capable of building any AI system for that matter, so that I can satisfy any need for myself or any business need for that matter as well, because I've been a co-founder for the startup for the last 3 years, and we've been working on the AI for the last 3 years, been completely dwelling into AI and robotics. And through our research, through our work, we were able to have countless conversations, countless debates, countless progress, and we are completely on trying every tool, every service that has been ever released upon AI, reading every thesis ever has been released upon AI, so that we can optimize our work in the most effective way. And that's the exact reason why I thought that I would like to build my own system so that I can satisfy my own needs, because all this knowledge, all this skill has been developed over years of practice. And that's how I'm going to be leveraging the opportunities that I would like to have. So this is the system that I built, and there are a lot of other systems that I built. And if you go through my portfolio, you can actually have a clear understanding of them as well. And that is all that is there about this Nova AI system. Thank you for watching.